How much is my accident claim worth? Hi, my name is David R. Price Jr., and I'm a personal injury trial attorney in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to share some valuable information with you. Oftentimes, when I first meet with people after an accident, they ask me how much their accident claim is worth. I tell them two things. I say, first of all, at the end of the day, your accident claim is worth whatever a jury thinks it is. And second of all, this early in your case, I have no way of telling you what I think a jury would give you for your case. The reason being is that until you're done treating and until we know the extent of your injuries, there's no possible way we could value your case. To understand that, you have to understand the different parts that go into calculating the value of your claim. The first and most obvious part of your case is your medical expenses. Certainly, you're entitled to be reimbursed any medical expenses you spend as a result of the injury caused by somebody else. That includes not only your present medical expenses, but also any future medical expenses that you may incur as a result of your injury. Because we have no way of knowing exactly what your medical expenses will be until you're through treating, there's no way to tell you what your case is worth until you're done going to the doctor. The second element that goes into your accident case is any lost wages you may incur as a result of an inability to work because of your injuries. Again, this is difficult to determine until you're done treating and we know exactly how much work you've missed. But you are entitled to be reimbursed your lost wages that you may incur as a result of an injury caused by someone else. The next elements that go into your injury claim are a little more difficult to determine because you don't get a bill for these kinds of things. These include your pain and suffering, your loss of enjoyment of life, and your mental anguish. You are entitled to be reimbursed for the pain you experience and the suffering that you experience and the things that you're unable to do as a result of your accident. But again, this is difficult to determine until you finish treating and we know exactly the extent of your injuries, how long it was painful for, and how long you are prevented from doing things that you like to do as a result of your accident. At some point, when your injuries are resolved and you finish treating, or where you've stabilized to the point that we understand what kind of future disabilities you may have and what kind of future expenses you may incur, your attorney will be able to make an estimate of what he thinks that he may be able to obtain for you at trial. My name is David Price, and I handle these kinds of cases every day. If you've been injured because of the actions of someone else in South Carolina, then I want to help you. Please call me today. My number is 864-271-2636. Or visit my website at greenvillelegal.com.